You go to sleep at 11 p.m. Your stock portfolio looks fine. You wake up at 7 a.m. It's down 2%. You check the news. Nothing happened. No war, no crash, just red numbers. You shrug and call it volatility. But it's not random. There is a hidden computer system named Aladdin that moves billions of dollars while you are in bed. And if you don't understand how it works, you will keep waking up to losses you can't explain. Aladdin is not a person. It is software built by a company called BlackRock. BlackRock manages over $10 trillion. That's more than the entire economy of every country except the US and China. Aladdin is their brain. It looks at the entire world: stocks, bonds, weather, politics, interest rates. And it says, here is the risk. Here is where to put money. Here is where to take money out. And it does this 24 hours a day, even when you are sleeping. Here is the problem. When the US market closes at 4 p.m. New York time, that's 1 a.m. in Pakistan, Aladdin keeps working. It looks at Asia. It looks at Europe. If it sees a problem, it starts selling US stock futures immediately. By the time you wake up and open your phone, the price has already dropped. You missed the move. You are reacting to something that happened 6 hours ago. So how do you stop being the last person to know? You don't need a Bloomberg terminal that costs $25,000 a year. You need a free AI tool and this exact prompt. I'm going to show you the prompt right now. Pause this video and take a screenshot. Analyze the current price of S&P 500 futures. Compare it to yesterday's 4 p.m. Eastern closing price. Tell me the size of the overnight gap. Based on this gap, what is the most likely direction for the first hour of U.S. trading today? Explain like I'm 12 years old. That's it. You paste that into Claude or ChatGPT. It will tell you, futures are down 0.3%. Expect a slightly red open. The market usually tries to fill the gap within the first 30 minutes. Now you know the weather forecast. You're not guessing anymore. You're informed. Here is the most important thing I will tell you in this entire video. The goal is not to day trade. The goal is not to try to beat Aladdin at its own game. You will lose. The goal is to understand why the market moves so you don't panic. The average investor loses money because they sell when they see red in the morning. They don't know that Aladdin caused that red. They don't know that by 10:30 a.m., the market usually recovers half of that loss. They sell at the bottom. The algorithm buys their shares at a discount. When you know Aladdin exists, you stop being a victim of the overnight drift. You wait. You watch. You let the morning chaos settle. And if you want to buy, you buy after the algorithm finishes its morning routine. This simple shift, knowing what moves the market while you sleep, is the difference between panicking and profiting. If this video helped you understand something new, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who are tired of waking up to red numbers. And subscribe if you want the next video, where I'll show you the 3 other hidden algorithms that control your money without you knowing. Thanks for watching. Now go check those futures.